Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about perspective. So perspective is basically the way you see a thing, specifically how you can get involved, how you can invest and make a profit out of it if that's what you're looking to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I've said that many times and I'll keep saying it. I'm not a financial advisor. However, what I'm offering you, the information that I'm offering you is invaluable. The education that you will receive is invaluable, and it is guaranteed to teach you something that you did not know, because I'm pulling from a lot of different sources. So a lot of times you'll see me in the video, you see some of my partners in the video, friends, colleagues, associates, whoever, but the goal is to get you the needed information. So my goal is to keep things simple. I want you to take the approach to crypto in the crypto market that I'm taking. I know that it's a very lucrative opportunity. I know a person could get in and make a lot of money. My cousin just came back from Vegas spending some crypto money that he made on the crypto market. I know other people that have made, people I know personally, that have made a lot of money in the last 7 to 8 years. So there's money to be made, but at the same time, I'm not a financial advisor telling you, hey, jump into this is the thing. I'm just saying, if you want to invest in the crypto market, I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you want to understand, first of all, what is crypto? What is it all about? And you clueless. That's what the Crypto Nomad is here for. I'm here to educate and enlighten those people that are completely clueless. You have no idea. And the reason I want to do that is because at one time, I had no idea what crypto was. I know, as a matter of fact, I was afraid of it. I remember a guy, my friend Jermaine, a few years ago when I first met him, he brought it up to me about crypto. I was like, bro, that's not for me, man. I ain't in all that crazy stuff, because I thought it was some kind of major scam. Well, since then, I've gotten enlightened, as you can tell. I got a whole YouTube channel and a website devoted to educating people on crypto and cryptocurrency. So, but when I say perspective, I want you to look at it like this. I have no desire to be rich. Never have, never will. I don't want to be rich. I know people think I'm crazy when I say I don't want to be rich. I remember one lady I worked with back in the day, when she discovered that I didn't want to be rich, I told her, she was like, what do you mean? I mean, I don't want to be rich. And there's a lot of reasons for that. But I believe that we should have a more mature approach to money. Money is a tool. There's one of my old mentors, Mr. Dick Dodge, Mr. Richard Dodge, before he passed away. He used to always say, money is a tool. I want you to look at it like that. It's not something that we should be bowing down and worshiping. Money is not something that we should be giving our hearts to and going all crazy over it. People actually take another person's life over money. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard in my life. We know where that's coming from, but I want us to see things the way God sees it. God looks at everything from an eternal perspective. He sees it from an eternal, I'm using that word, eternal perspective. And we need to be doing the same thing, because this life that we live in is temporary, meaning everything in life is temporary. I would prefer to put more energy and effort into those things that I know that are going to last for a long time. This life is not going to last for a long time. If you live to be 100 years old, that's not a long time, because what happens after that 100-year period is ended? That's what you got to think about. So we're approaching crypto. We're approaching making money in general, investing, making a profit. We're approaching that stuff with a sober mind. OK, and that sober mindset is that money is a tool. I needed to do things. If I need to make money to take care of my bills and all my responsibilities, there's nothing wrong with that. If I need to make money because I want to have something, put away for my kids. So if I leave here and they're still here, then they could say, hey, my dad left us this and my dad left us that. That's a good thing. But that to be rich and to be wealthy and to be comfortable and to blow up and to have the good life, that's foolishness to me, because it's not necessary. All that do is cause extra heartache. And I promise you, I know a lot of people with money. When I'm talking about millions, I ain't talking about no little bit of money. I'm talking about, I know people that's got a lot of money, and those people have a lot of problems. OK, and even just going after money for the sake of just being rich and striving after and all that, there's something wrong with that. I wouldn't even want to live like that. All right. So that's what I mean when I say setting the perspective straight. That's the perspective I want you to have when you dealing in crypto. And so browse the channel. I've got different playlists. And of course, if you know anything about YouTube, a playlist is basically another word for category. So look at the different categories. Crypto Nomad even has categories for advanced learners and beginners, but primarily for beginners, because I just kind of had that burden that people that don't know, people that are clueless, my family, friends, whoever, the whole world, if you just want to know about crypto, you want to be able to wrap your head around it, you want to understand it, you want to comprehend, well, what is it? What's all the talk about? You got cities now down here in South Florida, major cities, major metropolis that are looking to pay employees in Bitcoin.
What?
You got companies like Crypto.com, which have signed multi-million-dollar contracts with the UFC, with Fanatic over in Europe, with other multi-million-dollar corporations. Guys, this should tell us something. This should tell us that we need to at least learn about it, because it's literally going to take over the world. It's destined to take over the world. You got countries already now that have gone into basically a cashless society. They're like 95, 96% cashless. They don't hardly ever use cash. Countries like Sweden, Denmark, Canada is about 90% there, if I'm not mistaken. And so cryptocurrency, if you don't know by now, cryptocurrency or crypto is basically digital money. It's money that you spend or use on the internet. It's not physical money. You're already doing that when you shop on Amazon. You're already doing digital currency when you deal with your bank online. We're already doing this, folks. So if cash becomes obsolete, which I firmly believe it will, then we are going to be into a new type of global economic system. And that is what I'm helping getting people prepared for. But on the way to it, I'm trying to show you that if you want to invest, there's a way for you to make a profit on the way up, all right, or during the transition.